Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to my YouTube channel Rocket Propulsion. What is rocket propulsion? Rocket propulsion is defined as the force that is used by the rocket to take off from the ground and into the atmosphere. The principle on which rocket propulsion work is based on Newton's third law of motion. Here, the fuel is forcibly ejected from the axis such that an equal and opposite reaction occur. Table of content is the rocket propulsion. In a liquid fuel rocket, the following things are found. A liquid rocket fuel such as a liquid oxygen, liquid nitrogen. The point 2 is an oxidizer. The point 3 is pump to carry the fuel and oxidizer. The point 4 is consumption and the chamber where the two liquids mixed and burn. The point is a hot exhaust choke. The point is exist from where the exhaust is removed. In a solid fuel rocket, the following things are found. A solid fuel oxidizer mixture with a cylinder hole in the middle, ammonium nitrate, ammonical denitramine. The point is an igniter to combust the propellant surface. The hole in the middle of the propellant act as the combustion chamber. The point is that the hot exhaust is choked at the throat. The point is exist from where the exhaust is removed. What are the types of rocket propulsion? There are following different types of rocket propulsion: liquid fuel chemical propulsion, solid fuel chemical propulsion, coal gas chemical propulsion, or ion. These are four basics of types of rocket propulsion. And the acceleration of rocket is equal to A is equal to V E over M. Change in M over change in T minus G, where A is the acceleration, V is the exhaust velocity, M is the mass of rocket. Change in mass is the ejected gas. Change in time is the time taken to eject the gas. G is the acceleration due to gravity. Factor affecting rocket's acceleration: the acceleration will be greater when the exhaust velocity VE of gases is greater with respect to the rocket. The acceleration is greater when the fuel in the rocket is burned faster. As the mass of the rocket decreases, greater will be acceleration. Understanding the principle of rocket propulsion through an experiment. Example on the rocket propulsion example is 2.80. So we leave the example. We discuss about the summary. For rocket propulsion is the force used by the rocket to take off from the ground. It is based Newton third law of motion. Liquid fuel as solid fuel, gas, cones, or iron are the types of rocket propulsion. Acceleration of rocket is given A is equal to V E over M. Change in mass over change in time minus G. Acceleration depend on exhaust velocity, burning the fuel and mass of the rocket. Some question frequently asked for rocket propulsion. The question first is how much thrust does a rocket need to take off? For a rocket to take off from its launch pad, the thrust must be greater than 98 Newton. It is because the force of gravity pulling the rocket downward is 10 multiplied 9.8 98 n. Therefore, it must be greater than 98. The question number second arises: what is the world's most powerful rocket engine? Its answer is the F1 engine is the most powerful single nozzle liquid fueled rocket engine. Question number third arises: is acceleration of the rocket constant? No, a rocket does not have a constant acceleration. The force on the rocket is constant, but the acceleration keep increasing. So question number 4 arises: what kind of fuel do rocket use? The fuel used the rocket is highly refined kerosene called RP1. Used petroleum fuel are used along with the liquid as an oxidation. Question number 5: do rocket pollute the air? Most rockets are propelled by the liquid hydrogen fuel, producing clean water vapor exhaust. However, this also results in emission of carbon also in the upper atmosphere. The traces of gases cause the depletion of the ozone layer. There are also particles of soot that are found. Therefore, it can be said that yes, rockets do pollute the air. So this was our topic about rocket propulsion. Hope you understand. And the complete topic of rocket propulsion was very interested. And rocket propulsion, I think I want to use the rocket propulsion. To friends, goodbye, Allah Hafiz. We meet in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.